Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel Sonam. In today's video we'll unbox and review the Ellish Box August 2019 edition. It's very affordable, priced at just rupees 399 including shipping, and the total cost of products is above 3000 rupees. So without any further ado, let's start unboxing. Please click the red subscribe button and the tiny little bell button right next to it so that you don't miss any of my videos. This is how the box reached me. So here is our pretty Ellish box. It says My Vanity, very colorful, and I'm loving the new design they have from past few months. It is a sealed pack as always. And once we open, we have the info card on all the products. So let's go through them one by one. So the first product, and probably a star product this month, is by Disguise, and it is the Rainbow Glow Oil. It has 7 rainbow oils with pomegranate extract for daily skin rejuvenation, super light for all skin types. Now this brand, I have used their makeup products, their liquid lipsticks, their normal cream lipsticks, and they are pretty nice, and they were sent in a quite reputed subscription box which is Fabag. So I'm definitely happy to see this in Ellish box, which is more affordable. Here are all the oils that are present in this product. It definitely looks very promising here. It has 30 ml of product and cost is 700 rupees for this itself. It is 100% vegan, cruelty free, no paraben, no silicone product. So let's have a look at it. So this is how the packaging looks like. It is a glass bottle. Packaging definitely looks very good. And this is the consistency of the product. It is like a normal oil, so you just need a single drop of it for your entire face because it will spread, and the fragrance is really nice, and it of course makes your skin very hydrated immediately. Definitely a great product for upcoming winters, and I am surely gonna be using this in winters. Here are all the claims and everything mentioned. You can pause and go through it if you like. And here are the different ways you can use it. So yes, very happy to receive this one. Then the next star product is by CGG Cosmetics, and this is their Plumpalicious Nighttime Skin Renewing Moisturizer with Collagen. It has collagen, hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. Such a great combination of active ingredients. Packaging is good. Worth is 700 rupees. And it has 50 ml of product. Here are all the ingredients mentioned. It does have collagen, vitamin C and hyaluronic acid as the first 3 ingredients. So I am looking forward to using this one. This is how the packaging opens up, quite nice. And this is the product. It has a pump disposable packaging. So this is how the consistency of the product is. It is actually quite a thick cream. So again, I feel it will be great for the upcoming winters. In fact, Bangalore has started being quite dry already. Fragrance is kind of a natural Ayurvedic kind of fragrance. It's not very chemically, a very natural herbal kind of fragrance, and quite nice. I did like it. Then we have another product from Soul Studio, and this is their rose water, which you can use as a toner or a face mist. It is 100% rose water, so definitely a good product to receive. So in fact, I feel you can use this as a toner, this one as a oil like night oil, and this one as a night cream. You kind of have a toner moisturizer routine over here. And finally, for the night routine, you also need a lip balm, which they have included. This is the Angam Luxury Ayurveda lip balm, and this is how it looks. It is gonna be a transparent lip balm, has a decent fruity fragrance, so again happy with this too. And finally, moving to the makeup, we have this Nev HD eyeliner, which has 3 grams of product. Here are the ingredients mentioned, and here is the manufacturing and expiry of the product, and cost is 650 rupees. I have received the shade 2 black. It's great that it also comes with 2 of these brushes, and this is how the packaging of the product looks like. It has a frosted glass bottle and it says black matte on the back. It is a seal pack. So once we open, this is how the product looks like. It is definitely jet black in color. It will have some gloss as well. So you can use it as an eyeliner or kajal, anything. And gel liners do stay for a very long time as well. So these are all the products in the August 2019 edition of Ellish Box, and here are all the pricing details mentioned. The total cost is above 3000 rupees as I mentioned before, and you pay just 399, so definitely a great deal. And I also like the combination of products like skincare, makeup, everything, all are usable products. But unfortunately this edition is already sold out, but the good news is they have already started pre-booking of September edition, and they're also giving a free pre-booking gift with all those who book before 30th of August. And since I have never been disappointed with the Ellish box and they're always value for money, I would highly recommend, if you like this box, you can definitely go ahead and order the September edition and you'll get a free pre-booking gift too. So that was all for today's review. I hope you liked it, and if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a like and some love in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care and bye bye.